Every time I visited the Montego River, also called Barnett River, it was characterized by a small, muddy stream weaving around and cutting through tall grass and shrubs that had overtaken the river course. Look at it on these dates. It looked harmless, unthreatening. But the size of the riverbed hinted at the volume of water it could carry. As shown on April 19, 2022, when the Barnett River overflowed its banks, washing away a vehicle and sadly claiming two lives. You see, for some reason, I could not recall a time when this happened before. Well, until I started doing research, as I usually do. Now, this is when I uncovered previous instances of the river either overflowing its banks or coming dangerously close to it. For example, in 2010, heavy rains associated with Tropical Storm Nicole caused the Barnett River to overflow its banks, causing flooding along the Fairfields, Alice Eldemeyer, and Tucker main roads and sections of Catherine Hall and Westgate areas. In November 2008, the river came very close to its banks as there was intense rainfall over a couple of days. In 2004, rains associated with Hurricane Ivan caused the Barnett River to overflow its banks. And based on conversation with other Montegonians, it has happened numerous times before that. Can you remember other instances?